It's safe to say at this point, Cassandra Ong will face many legal battles long after all the investigation on illegal pogos have been concluded. This after the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, or PAOK, and the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, filed another case against her. Luisa Erispe has more.
There is no more escape and no more room for denial for Cassandra Ri Ong on her alleged ties with Pogo Corporation's Lucky South 99 and Whirlwind. This after the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission and PNP CIDG filed a complaint against Ong, accusing her to be the owner and incorporator of both business entities.
Siya ay isa sa mga incorporators at may-ari ng Whirlwind Corporation, at bukod doon lumalabas sa ebidensya na pinatakbo niya ang Lucky South 99.
Ong will be facing a rap of qualified human trafficking complaint along with 53 other officials of Whirlwind and Lucky South 99. Aside from discovering that Ong may be the head of the two corporations, the initial investigation also shows that Lucky South and Whirlwind may be identical, same dog, different colors.
Para sa kanila, iisa lang ang Lucky South 99 at ang Whirlwind Corporation. May nasabi na dati, di ba, grand implied conspiracy. Ganun yun, no? At bukod doon, may ginawa silang na madalas ginagawa sa corporation law, yung piercing the veil of corporate fiction. So napaka-importante to dahil dapat hindi tayo pumayag na gamitin ng mga kriminal ang corporation law, ang layering, upang magawa yung mga kriminal nilang gawain.
Witnesses to the complaint are 10 Chinese nationals and 4 Filipinos who allegedly experienced several kinds of trafficking schemes under both corporations. But PAOK believes there is a bigger picture behind this complaint because Lucky South was allegedly known as a notorious player in human trafficking.
Ito yung matagal na namin sinasabi na yung Lucky South 99, kaya po notorious yan within the Pogo community is because sila yung pinakamalaking mamimili ng tao. They buy people from yung mga nalululong sa mga casinos. Meron kasing grupo talaga ng Chinese group na kidnappers po talaga. Mga loan sharks na sa mga casinos dito sa Metro Manila. Tapos tinitingnan nila kung sino vulnerable para pautangin. Then ibibenta nila ng higit pa doon sa pagkakautang doon sa mga pogo.
Aside from Cassandra Ong, the complaint also included as a respondent are Zhang Ji, who's believed to be a Singaporean Chinese national and former owner of Lucky South. Zhang Ji is believed to be the same person who helped Alice Guo for her hotel Belitings in Singapore and Indonesia, which establishes the connection of Alice Guo to Pogo companies in Porac, Pampanga. Meanwhile, on a misrepresentation complaint against Alice Guo at the Commission on Elections, COMELEC's Law Department and Unbank agreed to grant another extension to Guo's camp to file her counter-affidavit. Guo's deadline has been extended to Thursday, September 12. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.